Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Poppy, your one-stop solution for industry marking needs. In this video, we will guide you on how to use our Cordless Portable Dot Peen Marking machine in conjunction with the barcode scanner. This powerful combination enables you to quickly and easily transfer scanner data to our software and create purchase serial number markings on your metal products.
Create the new mark. Click the barcode and enable scan, then set the parameters. Uncheck the print immediately. Then press the marking button and pop up the dialog box. Scan the barcode and it will automatically input the content, then mark it. Press the marking button and pop up the dialog box. Scan the barcode and it will automatically input the content, then mark it.